LT CNCMN-200A CNC Busbar Chamfering machine. The main function of the Busbar Arc Processing Center is to perform chamfering arc processing on the ends of copper and aluminum bus bars. Gantry mechanical structure, simple design, stable operation, good structural rigidity. 6-station inline tool magazine, automatic tool change, tool holder, international standard BT 40 tool holder, simple tool change, good rigidity, high precision. 2-axis control system, simple operation and convenient maintenance. Human-machine interface, clear interface, simple operation. The main function of this machine is arc processing on copper bar ends, used for milling angles and external processing of copper aluminum bus bars with thickness 416 mm and width 30 to 200 mm. It has simple structure and easy operation. The electrical control uses 5-axis CNC system. Feeding and cutting are completed by spindle motor and servo motor with pneumatic tool control. Main components include bed work table, gantry, slide rail, servo motor, power head, cylinder, fixture device, pneumatic system, CNC system, and protective cover.